All new 2014 Jeep Grand Cherokee Summit for sale now. This new Grand Cherokee features 4 doors. Got 4WD, engine, 5.7L V8 16 VMPF IOHV, cylinder, 8, 4-door SUV, doors, 4, fuel consumption, city 17 miles per gallon, fuel consumption, highway 24 miles per gallon, memorize settings including audio, memorize settings including door mirror, memorized settings for 2 drivers, driver seat memory, remote engine start, remote power door locks, power windows, cruise controls on steering wheel, adaptive cruise control, trailer hitch, 4-wheel ABS brakes, front ventilated disc brakes, first and second row curtain head airbags, passenger airbag, side airbag, express open close glass sunroof, rear spoiler, lip. Navigation system with voice activation, Uconnect with Bluetooth wireless phone connectivity, digital audio input, DVD audio, audio system memory card slot, MP3 player, SiriusXM FM HD satellite radio, radio data system, speed sensitive audio volume control, total number of speakers, 19, braking.